To optimize your chatbot, you can also use split testing. If we just click the right mouse button, you'll be able to come towards the split module. This means that you can set up different kinds of variants. If we go over to the right, you'll be able to set up a split test. As you can see now, we only have one split test, but we can add as many variants if we like to. For example, if we have 4 different kinds of variants, you'll be able to connect any of the variants to any part of your chatbot that you like to. As you can see, with 4 different kinds of variants, you can have 4 different kinds of conversations and setups inside your chatbot, which you can test which one works the best for your audience. You can also name the different kinds of split tests. So for example, instead of A, let's call this, and for B, C, and D, let's do the same. As you can see now, you can properly track which lead magnet in this example will convert the best at the end of your setup funnel. You can also determine the weight of a variant. And with the weight, we mean you can direct how much traffic you want to send to a particular variant. The total amount of percentages need to be equal to 100. So in this case, we see 2 different kinds of variants with each 50%, but you can also adjust this to any preference that you like to. So for example, variant A needs to be 75%, whereas variant B needs to be 25%. If you want to add another variant, that's easily done. And you can now just divide the total percentages of 100% amongst these 3 variants. So for example, we could say variant A has 34%, variant B is 33%, leaving variant C with 33%. So you can add as many variants if you like to, as long as the total amount is equal to 100%. So split testing is a great way to test all kinds of variants inside of your chatbot and see what works best for your kind of audience.